welcome back to another episode of Live Camera Karan. Yeah, I guess we're doing that now. Yeah, I thought of that tagline like a couple of days ago. Friday night, it's the weekend, peeps, and we are heading to the desert, somewhere in Qudra. Yo, this is something straight out of Final Destination, man. But now we'll be alright. I see some signs. Yeah, Love Lake, birds viewing platforms, Flamingo Lake. Lovely. Now I just gotta figure out where is the crew at. Keep your lakes clean. Do not litter. Right? Be a model citizen. Best bawarchi in the desert.
Bawarchi nahi, wo chef hai, chef.
Yeah, so bawarchi is Hindi for chef.
Oh my God! Stop disturbing people.
Huh? Here, you want to make it to the vlog again? Yeah. Khushi Eilish. Oh, lovely. 1 million views. Viral hit thanks to you, yeah. Alright, let's go around. Hey, Amar.
It's done, it's perfect.
Now I want to get 2 million views. Oh God. Handsome boy ruins chicken leg. Bro, this is PG-13, man. We got Shoaib giving some intense looks. Hey, Dogs. Thanks for the chicken, man. Good stuff, bro. Don't leave me hanging on camera. Don't leave me ignored on my own vlog. Huh? I'll get it. Let me get some footage, content. Huh? Oh, yes, we started vlogging.
Hello.
How are we doing, Charlie? You good? Have you enjoying the Dubai life?
Oh yeah.
Yes, give me that smile. Give me that $1 million smile, baby. Oh boy, we got some intense. What are these? Mutton chops. Where'd you get them from? Meetup. Hi Priyu, what are you up to?
Hello, vegetarian brother. No one's in.
Nice. So this is the boring corner, guys. Right here, we got the boring corner. I'm kidding. But these are potato skewers, is it?
Potatoes, soya, chicken, mushrooms, broccoli, everything.
Do we have mock chicken here?
It's actually soya chicken, not mock one. So we couldn't get that. It's bagged.
I wish you'd said mock chicken. Then I would have just like, ha ha. You know the.
The mock chicken's
Yes.
here.
Dude, you ruined the vlog, man. You gotta keep it horizontal, dude. Okay, you can barely see you. Oh boy. But yeah, no. We got the Yotto superstar. Oh, the light is all over here. Yes.
Hey,
How we doing?
This is the first time I'm on your vlog.
No, you were also there in the
The New Year.
the
My first solo.
not the New Year's thing. The JVC.
Yeah. Oh shit.
That was on New Year's.
Anniversary.
Did you do a New Year's thing without me?
Maybe.
Oh, Maryam, making like nice Maggie and fries and whatnot. Okay, so can we actually start making the burgers soon or no?
We can. We're just waiting for the grill to be free.
Awesome. Yes, Neha making an appearance without her cast. Wait, oh, you got the bandage on now.
I got the bandage.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, what's my nickname for you?
Happy feet.
Yes! Say it once again for the kids in the back. Say it again.
Happy feet.
Woo! And we got Reshma, new friend. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, so this is I vlog. So
Okay.
yeah.
I don't really a live video.
No. Not that famous yet. I've got like 32 subscribers. What's good, Rahil?
We're gonna eat some mutton chops very soon.
Fuck yeah, man. Yeah, guys. Okay, first time Abri is making an appearance. A rare Abraham made an appearance. Abraham used. Uncle, stick is not working. It's super effective.
And then the irony is tells me that he's tolerating me.
Huh?
You know how jealous
Oh, guys, dislike, drop a dislike because we have Khushi Eilish in the video.
Bro, what do I get? I'll get luckily, bro.
Hi, Ibri, come up to me and tell me my stick is not working.
Be careful of this.
Okay, Sheikhster, okay, Yogini. Thanks for imparting your spiritual wisdom to me. You know? Dude, you just live your cheat life, okay? What is that supposed to be? Yeah, you see this line? You see this line right here? You stay on that side, okay? You stay on that side, Khushi Eilish. Come.
Guys, this is what high school romance looks like.
Oh, so sweet. Excuse me while I throw up in my mouth. Oh my god. She's like the no, please keep it that way. She's the example of how you don't want your kids to grow up to be. Right? That's Khushi Eilish right there.
You should all follow if I know what Friends is, right? You know the character Janice?
The male version of.
Hey, I'm not Janice. I'm the male version of Phoebe. That's who I am.
And the irony is, you know, when Janice tells Ross that he's overreacting, you see the irony?
So, okay, what's Jennifer Aniston's name in
Rachel.
Rachel. That's Rachel.
Guys, veg.
The crazy. The crazy.
food.
That's Rachel and this is Ross.
No, I'm Phoebe. I'm Phoebe.
Veg grill.
You're Rachel. The crazy psychotic woman who cannot hold on any relationship.
AB, do you have anything to say to this?
The stick is not working. The stick is not working.
Why does that concern you?
Because I'm concerned about, because sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me.
And scene.
FOMO, father of missing out, and Momo, mother of missing out. Things are getting violent in tonight's vlog, guys. Okay, peace.
You won't if you stop annoying people here.
Hey, just stay away, okay? We've got enough dislikes on this video with you being in it.
By who? Your 2
Okay,
followers?
I will wait so that a fuck falls in my hand and I can give it to you.
Sorry, I would give you a fuck if I had any to give, you know,
You have a lot.
no, I have none to spare for you. Hey, me too, guys, me too. Let's discipline. Unfit आदमी, unfit इंसान, हाँ? Can you walk like 10 steps without losing your breath? As cliched as it is, I'm high on life. You only wish it. FOMO, what are you doing to me? You betrayed me. Come on, I have a successful YouTube career ahead of me, man. 35 followers, 35 subscribers. It's Sheikh. Hey, best Bawarchi! What's good? Killed it with the cooking, I have to say. Killed with the fucking cooking, bro. The fish, come into the light. Come into the limelight. Okay, what is the secret of your success as a chef? That escalated quickly. Oh, good.
It's going on YouTube.
It is, but
Don't worry. It's not.
it is.
The secret to his success is me. No, not her. Definitely not her. And here, let's end by again getting into Momo and FOMO. Yes, FOMO. Any parental advice? Your last joke went down a treat. You know what he said, right? Shinoy, any advice for would-be fathers? Wear a condom. Use a condom.
We have Salt Bay here, sprinkling his pickles.
We have Yotto. We have the best Yotto reviewer in the house behind the camera.
He's the worst at making burgers.
Hey, no, I try. Okay, that's what matters. Fall down 7 times. Because I have cool people like Sheikh, fucking, you know, like. No. Hey, I got the gloves. Sheikh hasn't.
He's Michelin.
Yeah, I worked there, man. I got the most important job. Yo, but can we not have so much spicy sauce on the third burger? Because that's gonna be
And we have one picky eater here.
Yes, I'll do my job now. Alright, so this is how we make a burger, man. Sharma style. First you want to put the Sharma sauce, which, trust me, you don't want to know what it is.
Can we see some reactions?
Nobody wants to know what the Sharma sauce is.
Why are you eating what's... Why are you putting back in what's coming out of you?
What is this? What's sauce?
The not spicy sauce. Okay, so that's the DB sauce. This is the NDB sauce, the not DB sauce basically. So you
What does BB stand for?
Decibel. Fucking read a book. Nikki.
Oh, DB. I heard BB. What? No?
Yes. Oh, right here. Shit, I got the pickles, man. And I got too much sauce.
Do you want lettuce?
I love vlog.
You can't take 10 minutes to
I love vlogging. Vlogging is my life.
Sharma's won the right.
Yeah, one pickle only.
You want cheese?
Mustard sugar.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Let us.
Why does this man look like he's never eaten a burger before?
Because-
He's enjoying.
Because I'm a hungry boy.
Clearly never excited.
I'm a hungry camper. Yes, so okay, there we have it, guys.
From the time I met you, you've been eating. How are you still hungry? Now you close it.
No, yeah, now you. Do I?
Put it on the grill.
Why do good things why do we have to wait for good things? Please, I want instant gratification. I want 10,000 likes on my social media post. Guys, like, comment, subscribe now.
Your burger back.
I'm collabing with future YouTube superstars, Maryam and Nick Monster. We got Nick Reviews in the house, and we got Marbez. And we're unboxing the winter Casa Pons. Wow, guys! We have over here some hot chocolate. Okay, basically it's food. We got food items here. We got this looks like a giant.
Marshmallow.
Yes, marshmallow. Good. That was exactly the first thing that was going to come out of my mouth.
Pecans, some donuts, and yeah, hot chocolate. We need to order the hot chocolate.
Damn, bro. That looks nice. Yeah? No, I'll get a separate one. You put a lot of effort into that. It's not for me. No. Okay, you can. There's one extra.
Okay, now we're just gonna warm it. Where did you get this again? You can order this online from Casa Pons.
From where?
Casa Pons.
Can be tomorrow.